Hello guys, welcome back. So as we already completed our first 4 challenges, let's take up our 5th challenge now, which is create a validation product rule using a summary variable. So once if you launch your playground, click on app launcher followed by Salesforce CPQ, you will get this page. Now click on summary variable followed by new. Let's copy our variable name right over here. So copy this and paste it over here. So for aggregate function field, we are just going to choose sum. So for aggregate field, we are going to choose quantity, and for target object, choose quote line. For filter field, choose product code, and for operator, choose equals. So let's give our filter value, which is given right over here. So just copy this and paste it over here, followed by save. So guys, once if it is done, click on product rule. Let's copy our product rule name as well, which is given right over here. So just copy this and now click on new. So let's paste it for product rule name. So for type, we are going to choose validation, and for evaluation event, we are going to choose save. Check this active. So for this scope, let it remain as code. So for condition, let's give it as all. Let's enter our message, which is given right over here. So copy this and paste it over here, followed by save. So guys, now just scroll down. Here you will find error condition. Click on new next to error condition. So just scroll down right over here and keep cursor on tested variable. So here we are gonna choose the sum of quantity for home security console code line. So for operator, we are gonna give greater than. So for filter type, give value, and for filter value, enter 1, and now choose save. So guys, now in global search, I'm just going to search for capital Q followed by -00012. So once if you get this code, click on it, and here we are gonna click on edit line and choose add products right over here. And here in search product, I'm just going to search for home and choose home security console followed by select. So for this window sensor, we are going to change quantity as 2. So once if it is done, click on save. And now click on quick save. So guys, here you will find this clone line, which is right over here. So yeah, you're gonna click on this clone line. So once if it is done, choose quick save. So here you will get this message. So this is all about this challenge. Let's go back and click on verify step. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed all of these challenges now. If you find this video useful, do subscribe to our channel. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.